In this video, I'll detail how to set data limit on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you run out of data or you want to restrict the total number of data you use per day on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then you can easily set your data limit to a certain amount of megabytes you want to use per day. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set data limit on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, click on connection, then scroll down and tap mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on mobile hotspot. Now make sure your mobile hotspot is turned on. Then click on connected devices here where you see mobile data shared today. Click on this and then tap set data limit. You should see a pop that says set mobile data limit. When the data limit you set is reached, mobile hotspot will automatically turn off and all devices will be disconnected. Your data usage reset every day at midnight. Then come here, type in the data you want to use per day on MB. So ELS you want to use 1 gig, that will be 1000 megabytes. So if you want to use 5 gig per day or 3 gig or 4 gig, go ahead and type 3000 MB, then click on the OK button. Then once you click on the OK button, you should see this slider comes here. And here I set my mobile data usage per day to 3000 megabytes, which is 3 gig. So this slider will tell me when I'm about to exceed or when I exceeded the data limit I set on my Samsung Galaxy device. So this I can easily set data limit or mobile data limit on Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.